The art of restoration. How Tolman transformed a decaying Honda Integra Type R. The era of tuning is shifting. While the 1990s and 2000s were defined by chasing massive horsepower gains and aggressive body kits, a new trend is emerging among high-end restorers: preservation through perfection. Rather than turning classic icons into unrecognizable machines, specialists are focusing on returning them to a state that is arguably better than they were when they first rolled off the assembly line. UK-based specialist Tolman has recently demonstrated this philosophy with their latest project, a complete overhaul of a Honda Integra Type R DC2. A race against corrosion, the project began in September 2025 with a UK-spec DC2 that appeared decent at a glance, but suffered from significant structural decay. For enthusiasts, the DC2 is a holy grail of the golden era of Japanese performance, known for its high-revving engine and precision handling. However, finding clean, rust-free examples is becoming increasingly difficult. Because original body panels for these 1998 models are virtually extinct, the restoration required a heavy emphasis on metalwork rather than simple part swapping. Hand fabrication. The team spent 180 hours handcrafting steel rear quarter panels and wheel arches. Structural integrity. Doors were meticulously repaired to ensure the coupe's rigidity remained intact. Refurbishment over replacement. To maintain authenticity, the team chose to refurbish original lighting units and rubber components instead of installing modern aftermarket parts. Aesthetic refinement and modern protection. While the car retains its classic silhouette, the visual identity has been updated to suit the owner's collection. The traditional championship white has been replaced with a deep Sorrento green. To ensure longevity, the build utilized advanced techniques. Nitrogen-based painting. This method was used to achieve a cleaner, more consistent exterior finish. Factory-grade sealing. The underside was treated with specialized seam sealer to prevent the return of the corrosion that threatened the car's life. Interior preservation. To solve the notorious issue of red Recaro seats fading to a dull pink, the team sourced specific fabric from Australia to retrim the front buckets, maintaining the original 1990s aesthetic. Mechanical precision. The VTEC experience, the heart of the Integra Type R, is its naturally aspirated 1.8-liter DOHC VTEC engine. Tolman's approach was not to overtune the engine for peak power, but to restore its mechanical soul. The engine was completely rebuilt to factory specifications, producing a crisp 190 HP on the dyno. This focus on Factory Plus performance is complemented by a modern handling suite, including nitrone dampers and fresh springs, new bushings and fluid lines to sharpen steering response, refinished 15-inch NK wheels, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Exalto 2 tires. The verdict after 740 hours of labor. The result is a vehicle that respects its heritage while utilizing modern technology to solve the flaws of the past. This restoration proves that for true classics, the greatest upgrade isn't more power. It's the perfection of the original driving experience. This project highlights a growing movement in the automotive world where the goal is no longer to change a car, but to honor its original engineering through obsessive, high-quality craftsmanship.